Hi, my name's Jonathan Flattery. I'm a solicitor here at Express Solicitors in the Public and Occupiers Liability Department. Today, I'm here to talk to you about accidents abroad. I'm sure, like me, you spend many months looking forward to and planning a holiday. It's important that you know what rights you may have in the event that unfortunately you have an accident abroad. There are a wide variety of accidents that you can have whilst you're abroad. For example, holiday accidents. These can be activity-based, such as skiing or jet skiing, or these can be based in places such as accidents in a hotel from slipping on wet substances or by a swimming pool. Accidents can also take place in planes, such as items falling out of overhead lockers or scalding from hot liquids while sat in your chair. Many people decide to go on cruises as well. Unfortunately, you can also have accidents this way. When you're in a cruise ship with many thousands of people in a confined space, it's rife for symptoms such as norovirus and cryptosporidium. As well as that, often you have wet decking and the ship moves a lot. This makes slipping accidents more dangerous. The same road traffic accidents you have here in England, you can also have whilst abroad. Whether you're a passenger in a taxi or a bus, you can still claim, although there is a different process for doing it. In order for you to bring a claim here in England for your accident abroad, it has to be defined as a package under the package tour regulations. That means booking 2 out of 3 options, all from the same operator at the same time. These include flights, transfers and hotels. Accidents that occur abroad are often very complicated and you require specialist legal advice from the outset. In order to determine whether a claim can be brought here in England under the relevant statute or regulation, we need to go through the relevant booking documentation and contract. Accidents that occur outside of England and Wales are often subject to different time periods of when you can bring a claim. Generally speaking, in England, if you have an accident, you have 3 years from that point of accident to either settle it or to start court proceedings. That can be very different when it happens abroad, and it's important that a claim is brought forward as soon as possible. For example, if you have an accident on a cruise ship or an aeroplane, that is subject to a 2-year maximum period. In some accidents that you have abroad, they're subject to local laws, and in some cases that period can only be 1 year. It's therefore important that we get as much information as soon as possible to initiate your claim so you're not time barred. Another key thing to remember is that accidents abroad are governed by local standards in that country and not by standards here in England and Wales. Because we are specialists on that area, we have built up relationships with solicitors in many countries as well as local standard experts. They're there to provide you the evidence that you need for your claim to be successful. In order for you to bring a claim over here and for us to advise you, there are a number of documents and evidence that you need to retain and provide to us to assist in your case. The documents that we require would be your booking and travel documents, any photographs of the defect not only that caused your accident but other potential defects so we can give an impression of the overall venue. In bringing a claim abroad, it is often a prerequisite that you seek medical attention in that country. Often that will come at a charge, and it's important that you retain records of that. It is also important if you can obtain and keep any witness evidence of other people that are holidaying with you. If you've had an accident abroad, it is important that you seek specialist legal advice. Please feel free to call me. My name is Jonathan Flattery here at Express Solicitors.